Thunderbird versus Betterbird. Let's start with Thunderbird. So, Thunderbird is Mozilla's long-standing open-source email client. It supports POP, IMAP, calendar, contacts, encryption, and extensions. Now, let's talk about its pros and cons. First, it is backed by Mozilla and is actively maintained. It also has a huge user community and extension support. It has cross-platform and it's widely available. And lastly, it has a long-term support and regular updates. Now for the downside is, it is slower to implement new features, the UI still feels a bit dated, and it can be buggy after updates. Now for Betterbird. Betterbird is a fork of Thunderbird that offers bug fixes, advanced features, and faster updates, aimed at power users who want more refinement. Now, let's talk about its pros. For the pros, it includes all of Thunderbird's features, it adds advanced calendaring, it also fixes bugs quicker than upstream Thunderbird, and it is more responsive development and modern patches. Now for the cons though, it has a smaller community, which means it has less support documentation, also less known, so it may not be as trusted in enterprises, and it relies on Thunderbird base for future uncertain if Thunderbird changes drastically. So choose Thunderbird if you want stability, broad support, and extensions with a long history, and choose Betterbird if you want a faster, smoother Thunderbird experience.